here, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the last day, day 28 of our journey to splits. Let's get started our 5-minute morning stretch. So, it's finally the day! Starting of course with some hip flexors and hamstring stretches. So, we are prepping our way into the splits. Okay, so a deep, low lunge. And now give me some pulses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stretch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stretch. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. And now the hamstring stretch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and hold. And now while you're holding these, just keep sliding your leg into the splits. Hold and breathe. You can exhale and fold forward. And up. Woo. Okay, now we're switching legs. The other leg. Low lunge or the hip flexor stretch. Okay, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and press, 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 open. And hamstring stretch. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold and press. And now going for the splits. We are almost there. Woo! Breathe, stay here. You've got this. Stay down. 10 more seconds. And rest. Okay, finishing with the straddle. Don't get discouraged if you can't go there. Just keep pushing, keep giving your best. That's the only way we'll get there, okay? And gently, gently, slowly. If this is all you've got today, that's okay. Breathe, stay with me. Make sure your toes are pointing to the ceiling. That's it. Oh my God. Well done, everyone. That was it. Day 28. Thank you so much for joining me today and for this awesome month of love, self-love, and of course some stretches to splits. Thank you once again. I have a surprise for you. Tomorrow I'm starting a brand new challenge here on my channel on YouTube. I am starting 30 days of no more cellulite challenge. Yes, you heard me right. 30 days of no more cellulite challenge. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow.